Betsy Kim, Editorial Director of Lawyers.com, with today's Newsbreak. The Seventh Circuit ruled Indiana's law banning sex offenders from using Facebook or other social media is unconstitutional. The ACLU of Indiana represented sex offenders who had completed their sentences. Indiana's Attorney General argued the state's interest in protecting children from predators outweighed the privacy interests of allowing sex offenders to troll social media for information. But the court ruled the law violated the First Amendment by limiting what would be legal communication for anyone else, including those convicted of other crimes. Recovering substance abuse addicts get a break in insurance. A Boston appellate court ruled insurers can be required to pay long-term disability payments to a recovering drug addict if this person faces significant relapse by returning to work. An anesthesiologist became addicted to a prescription drug used in her practice. After she spent 3 months in treatment, Union Security Insurance cut off her long-term disability, but her doctors had warned her not to return to work, where she could all too easily access the drug. However, the courts are split on this issue. Finally, in Medina, Minnesota, an intoxicated Segway driver cannot be charged with drunk driving. Police stopped a Minneapolis lawyer who swerved his self-balancing stand-up scooter into the road. But this lawyer defendant beat the DWI charges. A Minneapolis appellate court ruled the Segway's not a motor vehicle, but falls under traffic regulations for pedestrians. That's because it's mostly used on sidewalks, bike paths, and in buildings, with speeds maxing out at 12 miles per hour. The defendant had also beaten the same drunk Segway driving charges 2 years ago. That's our Newsbreak for today. I'm Betsy Kim for Lawyers.com.